Hey YouTube, this is United Gamer 63, and I'm teaching you how to fix your Xbox disk tray if it just won't close, and you have to do something to get it closed and stay closed. Okay, so like that, and then you put your disk in, and then it doesn't stay closed. It's usually because if it's right here, you have to make sure there's nothing that it's running into, or it's somewhere either inside, which I just opened it up. I don't feel like opening it up again. But there's your quick tutorial, and thanks for watching.